Hey guys, it's the Gadget Inspector essay, and today we have the iPhone 13. I'll be reviewing this device and letting you know how it's held up for my time of purchase. Currently, I feel like this is the iPhone to get now because I feel like this phone is not too outdated and is really a good performing device. So, let's talk about it. Well, as we know that this device was released in 2021 and I only got to have it this year. Personally, I have to say, I'm not a big fan of Apple devices. I personally daily drive a Samsung device, but I can say that Apple really knew how to make this device feel and perform good. And I really didn't think I would enjoy using Face ID as I do because I'm used to the in-display fingerprint scanners found on my device. And of course, the problem I have with this device is using the lightning cable. Unless I'm charging my AirPods Pro, I usually use devices that support a Type-C USB. And again, I would say I'm not impressed with its charging speed. Well, I can say it's not very slow or fast. And I'm glad that Apple really increased its max brightness level compared to the iPhone 11 because that's the only non-Pro iPhone I've had and used. And not forgetting the battery boost. But I can assure you that this is not an all-day battery life device. That I can promise you. But let me say this is a really good phone. I recommend this device for anyone who's looking for an Apple device that's cheap and reliable. It really checks all the boxes, from cameras, display quality, security system, build quality, and more. So now, let's talk about cameras. Let me say this. Specs on paper are really not everything. For you to know a phone, you must experience it on your own, because the specs of this device are the total opposite of how it is from a daily usage. I really enjoy using these cameras. I sometimes even forget this is not a Pro device. They really knew how to fine-tune the processing of these cameras. Apple squeezed every bit from this 12 megapixel because I'm really impressed. Daytime or nighttime, you won't find a struggle here. Not mentioning the video graphics side of this phone because wow, Apple, how do you do it? And of course it records 4K 60 on all lenses. But I'm really impressed. It never misses and I can't complain. And of course not forgetting that they included the little features found on Pro iPhones, like cinematic mode and photographic styles, which were introduced on the iPhone 13 and 14. Well, this phone is not feature-packed like its competition, but it's really not a bad camera experience. Well, that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Enjoy your day. Peace.